Sama cocoa, a qua, cocoa ne babaka, Sama cotton, or cotton qua, a babanum, Ronaldo, a boy chilling near Toma. And then he said, you have to turn your own. I did dear piano. One necessary industrialize it. If you don't industrialize your own, you will be broke.
Yes, what you say? Me mama me fa me cocoa. Na won kodane. Na won fa ma na meje me sika. Na sabe me tu mika di dollar chi. Na me see the ne. Se we are say wo hwehwe natural mineral resources. Africa has 70%, yet we are the poorest. Natural resources alone does not make you rich. And you are doing any sabe how to turn the thing into fine BB that will make you rich.
Industrialization. Anywhere, member be am another. Say 24-hour economy. Now economy no, who go turn carry 24 hours? And I didn't want to turn carry your market 24 hours. Who go try am sorry 24 hours?
24-hour economy na everybody almost for here no. One we need plan B because 24-hour no. My catch say the end product and yet the beginning product and your policy are the beginning BB and then conforce and when the bag Ghana problems oh boah. Also the the end product. But I mean, I'm saying the end of product. You need what we call the raw materials first. Now you need to refine the raw materials. Now yes, and sana when here one called the human resource. Nipa meye jumano education level. What's the factories and sana 24-hour number.
We have disappointed the country. I told you, say they agreed. Herself surprisingly admirable because yes, no say party ways. But I'll tell you the truth.
I say we share sabe abura Ghana for politicians. Aboya sometimes yen nwanwa because obi pa bema kwa esika yeti na okwa bemu. And yes sabe odwa o Ghana and that is a fact. Papa we okano kore.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH. It's still Chada's time. Chada ni amano na ye body dem rona man science bi. Na sabe me na oyan kwato abapa. Industrialization. Aye bro, focus on America. Emu odu. Yaka asem we ya since 1992 asem ye started your democracy. President bi aba eno na ode pon ne ho sasafo hene. Ba bi sa ho say, is it not a loose talk that we are saying? And na say ade bi ye betimi aye. It's possible. You need what we call the political will to do it. Now you hear you Chada in some okeka and then sabi odu baby asani okeka na. Ya who say obedient me ya. This is a man who can change the fortunes of Ghana. Ya kwoti ne things on industrialization any nyamoka. Ya ba ye be boom.
Sama cocoa ekwa. Cocoa ne babaka ubiem. Sama cotton o cotton kwa. Ebebanum, Ronaldo, a boy chilling near Toma. And then he said, you have to turn your own. I did the piano. One necessary industrialize it. If you don't industrialize your own, you will be broke. So one can say, I'm Crano and Sissino and Danina. Because Ojansani be a fat. Obefa, obekwa krano. Obekwa dandane no. No more beto. Now the baba ka wetia taxes. Ansa no what ton. Abra ye betimi aye wa haya na ya export bi ekwa abonten. Mama yensu yensa se se ye ba export no ma akwa brochire. Ni yensu anja brochire fo sika ni bi. Yensu enji abrofo no. Yensu enji omusika ni bi. $70 kaka omumetua
pa no manko
so pe cash you ya ye be yama na ya export bi yama so pe cocoa no ye be process yansa ye de bi be cocoa butter ye de bi be shampoo ye de bi be bibia na power mo you say the person me catch them say for me as a leader of New Force, this is what I will do. So Yaba. We have arrived. And on this note, I would like to exercise this with you before I go. Now, It is here kind of 12 times. We're going to vote them out. Yeah, they are not kind of first. And then they cook promoti. Akoye. Jumunyina mumboame. Na yenye nsase. Everybody say hashtag let's vote them out. And you know me say so why bibia bibi abeyo bibi. If you don't do something, something will do something to you. And see now let's use the spirits of our ancestors and the power of the mightiness and the thumb, the power in the thumb. And let's go like this. Let's say, who are Kromotiana? And you're told here. You're told here. Now let's go. Let's vote them out. Say it after me. Let's vote them out. 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 Thank you. Thank you very much. You have a question? What is your question?
My question is that there are students, nurses out there, and parents who are receiving student allowance from the federal government. So
the allowance now they be cool. Allowance now okay. Allowance yeah, but papa mo le musala. Ah, the papa musala allowance. Musala mo
Yes, what you say? Me ma me fa me koko. Na wo nkodane. Na wo fa ma na meje me sika. Na sabe mi tumika di dollar chi. Na me see the ne. Africa, we have our 53 nations. Population of Africa is so huge. Say we are say natural mineral resources. Africa has 70%, yet we are the poorest. So your marshal, yes, Africa has 70% of the world's natural resources, yet we are poor. Because only maybe natural resources alone does not make you rich. And you are doing any survey how to turn the thing into fine BB that will make you rich. In this time we are talking about 2024, Africa, especially Ghana, we are still exporting cocoa in a raw form, beans. We are still exporting gold in a raw form, diamond in a raw form. We haven't moved. Now, I'm saying the rate at which Ghana is growing every year, we make about 2.2 billion. It will take us forever to even reach the middle income level. We need to be growing at least 5 billion a year. The money inflows to make sure that Ghana grows. This is a peanuts. If we see the things that Ghana has, we're a peanuts money. But in here, Obia or you're bold, ambitious. Oh, Becca said, this is the way I want us to go. And then ye nibi no. Ye nibi. Take say. Asa, ye nibi. No we. What say? 24-hour na for me kano. Where are the factories? You bet him there 24-hour no. Ye go tie no somra.
Industrialization. Anywhere, member be am down. Say 24-hour economy. Now economy no. Who go turn Gary 24 hours?
And I didn't punch it.
Turn Gary or market 24 hours. Who bet my sorry 24 hours? I am machine no.
And I shall over there.
Machines no.
And I shall over there.
Now you cash you. You process it. You cocoa. You process it. Now start processing now. You can 3 times. So I do know you 10,000.
The number so they shall over there.
That makes it what? 30,000 jobs. You see, I can't say you say who see 10,000.
24-hour economy na everybody have one most for here no. One we need plan B. Because 24 hour no makacho say the end product and yet the beginning product and your policy are the beginning bibi and then conforce and no the bag Ghana problems obuwa wo beka say 24-hour economy na ye Rajon Mahama Deba no the panacea for our problems no unim nyansa wo bowa because you need the end product. I mean, I'm saying the end of product. You need what we call the raw materials first. Now you need to refine the raw materials. Now, and sana when here one call the human resource. Nipa meye jumano education level. What's the factories and sana 24-hour number. Nipa to ye Rajon Mahama or touch him. Watch your na. Can you say so for 4 years so bet me ade na and none is not possible. It is I will say when only policy our opposition leader not 24-hour policy now what dia and you not count bebre. What's it? Where are the factories? How are we going to run it? As I said, a policy when to be about you need to have a plan. Oshe you are coming with the across say and you will must steady. I have the connections to bring the people in who bring us the equipment. I say 24-hour is about machines and ya shabu bra. Usamu Canada, Kofani Bukradi, I shall bra, I shall because any shower brand Yakoba 24 hours, you know, no tongue in over 24 hours. I saw in a year 24 hours. You see how vague we are. Yansano, a yakata. You now only and that day, politicians then will say somebody FBA Agyapong will be in promise because a Jimmy and no promise, but will be a Agyapong promise. It's what one number say 24 hours and not the extended. Oh, you don't know what you're saying. If there is one man in Ghana whom I respect so much, it doesn't matter which political party he is. Oh no, two people. Yera Harino Idrusu. And now him say, "Omo call Parliament, you know." Oh no, onim say Supreme Court. Ewo to minti. Ne call for no Jimmy no kwatena baby no. Ono kwatena my minority phone because Ochom say I know what's up. Aye. Or no any year Canada Japan. Na Kennedy can say me, you say politicians omo gu yanim ase. Yam na me kan, year Canada kan, you go see me.
We have disappointed the country. I told you, say, they agreed, they're selfish. Surprisingly, I remember, because say, no say party in ways, but I'll tell you the truth. Here, I brought you, Mammy, a question. Obia was a copy post with Mammy. Only president here find to copy with Mammy. Yeah, the post to Manoa. The main country and also then, I have here, or the new quiz, can you? The idea green and a wood. It means position now open. He is not coming to sell. He is coming to amass wealth at the expense of the country. And the other politicians also a different who share economic hardships. And ranty any mabawa and yegmawa. I feel so guilty saying you're a politician.
You cut the political class in Ghana. Omay almost say the elite. Omay almost say Yankaya some almost say they don't even live in Ghana. I say we share sabe abura Ghana for politicians. Aboya sometimes yen one because obi pa bema kwa esika yeti na okwa bemu. And yes sabe odo a Ghana. And that is a fact. Papa we okanu kore. Debi ameka me say okanu ko po bia okanu ko Ghana pa. How na Greece, Canada, Agyapong. And of course, Nana Kwambedi ako one day guru. Woman no do say go for me and say akwam gina kame meto about 10 times maybe we am work to the 10 times their mom. We need men and women with what integrity. Sabi Omwa is not about following the party, but following what? Ghana. Loyalty to Ghana, not loyalty to MPP or NEC or whoever, but loyalty to Ghana. And that's what I'm talking about. And I'm giving instances. Mr. Harry I do quiet, minority court say men say because the Supreme Court. She has started saying ye degrading in Supreme Court that our country is finished. And Speaker of Parliament, you know this, and you are doing this. And I'm a boss video back so I can. Aye, to baby, I do it. You reckon in Japan. Asamasa, at the end of the whole Sieka, politicians on Mumway. Wow, wish me, obey me up wow. Now, me. December 7, go and vote. Number 12. na na kwa medi ako nyame be hia I expose you chefem be so cho subscribe ma me de tumpe a na on saka manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.